Farr Swit Seaplane automatic. This one here is the special edition, limited out of 100. This is number 69. Fully US assembled watch. Beautiful gradient dial. You've got the sky meets the sea on the dial, obviously for seaplane. Just a outstanding looking watch. Love the red handset. Really pops on this gray to black fade dial. Then you've got that red hash marked chapter ring, BGW9 loom, screw down crown with 1,000 or 100 meter water resistance or 330 feet, 120 click unidirectional bezel. Very nice feeling, no back play. And this is a brand that I'd never heard of, but thanks to Ross Gallin of RMG Luxury, he sent this one for me to review. So I got a full video on this one on my main channel, and this is my new secondary channel, and I'm doing just a quick video on this one. So this is a 42 millimeter case diameter watch. We've got 12.5 millimeters case thickness from crystal to bottom of exhibition case back, 49 millimeter lug to lug, 22 millimeter lug width, and this is an exhibition case back. And the special edition seaplane that I have here, limited to 100, is powered by the ETA 2824-2, 25 joule automatic movement. And then we do have a sapphire crystal and a sapphire bezel. The bezel is done in black. Screw down crown with huge crown guards. Makes it very comfortable to wear. Then you've got a Barton strap, Barton silicone. And then this friction milled clasp for the buckle. So very nice. Very nice setup. I like the way these feel. It just feels like a luxury compared to the normal buckle style that comes on most straps. That red handset really pops though. And then loom is very nice. We got BGW9 loom. Give it a quick charge. And let's get the lights. Gorgeous. Plenty of loom. Should last for hours. Looks great. So this is a Elmhurst, Illinois based company. All USA assembled. Gotta love it. Got to love it. They also have the day trip and the midnight limited edition out of 500, and those come with the Salida SW200. This particular one is a special edition, like I mentioned before, which is limited to 100. This is the Farr Swit Seaplane automatic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it's a winner. Thickness, overall size, perfect. 42 millimeter, 12.5, 49 lug to lug. Just knocked it out of the park on this one. If you own one of these watches, I'd love to hear from you too, because before Ross, I didn't even know this brand existed. So this was a complete new experience for me. And there it is on the wrist. Zoom out real quick, get you a better look at it. I think this retails for $725. isn't an astronomical number, and you're getting a lot of watch for your money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.